When I first got serious about budgeting, I thought I had it all figured out. I tracked my income. I set spending limits. I even built spreadsheets and downloaded all the right apps. But month after month, my money kept disappearing. No matter how hard I tried, I wasn't saving what I planned. I wasn't paying down debt like I wanted. And I started thinking maybe I just wasn't good at this. Turns out, I wasn't failing. My budget was being sabotaged by things I couldn't even see until it was almost too late. If you're tired of wondering, where did all my money go? Hit that like button. This video is for you. Subscribe if you're ready to finally take full control of your money in 2025. And drop a comment below. What's one small expense that keeps sneaking into your budget? Number 1. Subscription creep. You know how it starts. One streaming service for movies. Another for sports. One for music. Then a cloud storage plan. A meditation app. A monthly software tool. They all seem small on their own, $5 here, $12 there. But they add up fast. At one point, I had over $120 per month in subscriptions I wasn't actively using. That's $1,400 a year, quietly leaking from my budget. What I do now? Once a month, I use apps like Rocketmoney to scan for recurring charges. I cancel anything I haven't used in 30 days. And I only keep what I use weekly or daily. If you haven't checked your subscriptions lately, this might be your biggest leak. Number 2. Small, daily habits that add up big. We all have them. The $5 morning coffee. The $12 food delivery fee. That $10 impulse Amazon item. They don't feel like budget wreckers. But they are, because they're constant, and we don't track them closely. I realized I was spending $300 to $400 per month on things I didn't even remember buying. So now, I ask one question before every small spend. Would I still want this if it cost me double next week? It helps me slow down and make choices instead of running on autopilot. Also, I started using prepaid gift cards for my fun money. Once it's gone, it's gone. It keeps me from death by 1,000 swipes. Number 3. Lifestyle drift. When I got a raise, I thought, finally I can breathe a little, so I upgraded my phone. Started eating out more. Signed up for premium everything. Moved into a slightly pricier apartment. Suddenly, I was earning more, but saving less. That's lifestyle drift, when your expenses rise quietly to match your income. Now when I get a raise or bonus, I follow a 50-30-20 rule. 50% goes to long-term goals, savings, investments. 30% stays in checking for current use. 20% is guilt-free fun or upgrades, but only one at a time. You don't have to live like you're broke. But if your lifestyle grows faster than your money habits, your budget will always feel tight. Number 4. Annual and irregular expenses. Here's the trap. You build a solid monthly budget, and forget about the non-monthly stuff. Like car registration, holiday gifts, insurance premiums, birthdays, medical bills, subscriptions billed yearly. These don't show up every month, but when they do, they hit hard. What I do now? I keep a sinking funds section in my budget. I list every irregular expense I can think of. I divide the yearly cost by 12 and set aside that amount each month. So when December comes, I'm not panicking, I'm prepared. Number 5. Not budgeting for fun. I used to think that if I wanted to succeed financially, I had to cut out everything fun. No dining out. No entertainment. No trips. Just grind. And that worked for about a month, until I burned out and overspent. Here's what I learned. If you don't plan for joy, you'll end up resenting your budget and breaking it. Now, I budget fun on purpose. I give myself a joy line item. It might be $100 or $200 depending on the month. But it's guilt-free and intentional. Because sustainable money progress isn't about perfection, it's about consistency. And consistency needs balance. Number 6. Financial disconnection. This one is more emotional than practical, but just as dangerous. I used to avoid checking my bank account. I didn't want to see the numbers. I'd tell myself, I'll figure it out later. That disconnection led to missed payments, overdraft fees, and poor choices. Now I do a weekly 15-minute check-in every Sunday. I open my apps, I check balances. I scan for any weird transactions. I reset my awareness. It's not about judgment, it's about staying connected to my money so it can work with me, not behind my back. The budget killers to watch out for. Here are the silent budget killers I now check for every single month. Subscription creep. Small, unconscious spending habits. Lifestyle upgrades you don't track. Annual or irregular expenses. Forgetting to budget joy. Disconnection from your finances. If any of these sound familiar, don't beat yourself up. Just take a breath, start spotting the leaks, and build a budget that actually fits your life. Your budget isn't just about numbers. It's a reflection of your life, your habits, and your goals. When I caught these silent killers, everything changed. I stopped wondering where my money went. I started feeling in control again. And I made more progress in 6 months than I had in 3 years. So if you're trying to budget better in 2025, here's your next step. Like this video if you're done letting money slip through the cracks. Subscribe if you want real-world finance strategies that actually work. And comment below. Which one of these silent budget killers shows up in your life the most?